Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Kimmy. Today we're going to show you how to cook bacon fried Brussels sprout. I'll show you all the ingredients. Let's start. Using 130 grams of bacon and 1 shallot and 5 grams sliced ginger and 1 garlic and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce mixed up with 1 tablespoon white wine. Brussels sprout. Add the Brussels sprout into the boiling water, and also we add a teaspoon of salt. Basically, we just want to take the bitterness out of Brussels sprout, and we just boil in for 1 minute, and you just give them a good stir. 1 minute up, you just take them out. Add a tablespoon of cooking oil. So using a lower heat, and we fry the bacon first. And now we just separate all the bacon and give them a good stir. We add the garlic, add the ginger and the shallot. Just give them a good stir, and we add the carrot as well. Just cook slowly. I want to get the taste out of the bacon. So add the sprout in now, and we fry it together. Give them a good stir. And we add the pepper. Oyster sauce with the white wine. And the reason we're cooking this way, you got to put the sprout in and you got to cook for 4 minutes, and just using the lower heat and take your time, because Brussels sprout need time to cook it through. And in this way, it's the best way to get out bacon, and they are good combination. Thank you for watching it. Please subscribe our channel, give a like for the video.